Get started with FlexChart, a Blazor chart component. Build stunning dashboards for the web using C# and .NET with Component 1 FlexChart for Blazor. Choose from over 50 popular chart types and configurations to create a custom data visualization. With flexible data binding, interactive SVG rendering, and WebAssembly support, FlexChart is the ideal charting library for Blazor applications. Let's look at how to get started. Create a new Blazor Web App in Visual Studio. FlexChart works with Blazor Server, WebAssembly, or the hybrid project type. You can keep the default settings and target .NET 8 or higher. Go to Tools and open the NuGet Package Manager. Browse for the c1.blazor.chart package. Install it and accept the dependencies and license agreements. If this is the first time you are installing Component 1 UI controls, then a 30-day trial will automatically begin when the project is built. Locate and open the app.razor file. Within the head tags, add the following Component 1 Blazor style sheets for the Common Library and FlexChart. Within the body tags, add the following script files. You can also find these snippets in any of our samples or documentation tutorials. Next, locate and open the Weather Component Razor page. This page is automatically generated with the Blazor Web App project template, and it provides us with a data model that we can quickly use to populate our chart. Add using statements for c1.chart and c1.blazor.chart to the top of the page. This will allow us to define the FlexChart and its related classes within the page markup. Below the table, add the FlexChart component tags. Then, set the item source property to the forecasts collection, just like in the table above. Our chart now includes the data collection. Next, we need to add any number of series to the chart by defining a series collection. Here, we will add 2 series, one for the Celsius temperature and one for Fahrenheit. The series's name will display in the legend. The binding property must be set to the exact name of the field from your data model. For the x-axis, let's add a formatted date property to our model that will return the month and day. Then, set the FlexChart's binding x property to the name of this property that will be displayed along the x-axis. FlexChart also supports binding to date-time values. Now we can compile the application and run it in the browser. We can add a title to the chart by setting the header content property. We can change the position of the legend by setting the legend position property. Let's move it to the bottom. We can set some basic style properties, such as font sizes and the color palette, to customize the appearance of our chart. Let's increase the header style's font size and set the palette to one of the built-in color palettes. You can also provide a list of colors using the Custom Palette property. Lastly, in this video, let's change the chart type. FlexChart supports many different Cartesian chart types, including column, area, line, step, and scatter. Plus, there are separate components for pie charts, tree maps, sunburst, and radar. You can change the chart type for the entire chart by setting the chart type property. Let's set it to line symbols. You can also create combination charts by setting the chart type for each series. For instance, we can set one series to an area chart, and any series without a type will use the main chart type, which is line symbols. That wraps up this Getting Started video. and download complete samples at developer.meshius.com/component1.